ASEAN Youth Cultural Forum was established in 2003 with the goal of providing a platform for ASEAN youth to learn about and share traditional and cultural arts from across the region. Organized by the ASEAN University Network, the forum highlights the importance of ASEAN diverse arts and cultures. It brings together university students from ASEAN member countries, offering them a chance to showcase their cultural talents and deepen their understanding of each other's diverse culture, both traditional and contemporary. In 2013, the forum expanded its reach by inviting ASEAN Plus 3 countries as new members and was renamed the ASEAN and ASEAN Plus 3 Youth Cultural Forum. Member universities from Thailand, including Chulalongkorn University, Burapha University, Mahidol University, Chiang Mai University, and Prince of Songkhla University, have collaborated to create cultural performances that showcase the ethnic and cultural diversity of Thailand's eastern, western, northern, southern, and central regions. Since 2014, these performances have represented Thailand's rich culture at both national events and international forums under the banner of Aycf Thailand, helping to foster greater understanding and global appreciation for Thai culture. Through this initiative and cultural events, a network of students and artists have been formed dedicated to embracing diversity, sharing experiences, and learning from each other, allowing this cultural richness to flourish. In 2025, Thailand, in collaboration with 5 member universities, will proudly host the 20th ASEAN and 10th ASEAN Plus 3 Youth Cultural Forum under the theme Cultural Roots and Rhythms, Flourishing Together in Unity and Harmony. This theme celebrates the unique cultural identities and shared traditions that bring us together as one diverse community. Get ready for an incredible journey of discovery and connection. We hope to welcome you to the 20th ASEAN and 10th ASEAN Plus 3 Youth Cultural Forum in Thailand, and look forward to getting together from 22nd to 27th June 2025 in this inspiring land of smiles and diversity.